Hello, this is John Martin of AdGroupGenerator.com and welcome to another of the Quick Start training screencasts for the free AdGroupGenerator tool that's created to help you take a keyword list and convert that into ad groups for use in Adwords Editor as part of your Google paperclip campaign. In this particular screencast, we're going to quickly run through the optional features which look at keyword length within the tool, and we're going to consider briefly why they're potentially so powerful and then how to use those particular features within the tool. Before heading over to the actual site, I just want to quickly go to Google, and this particular screen shows that I typed in time management, so that's, if you like, the keyword phrase that your surfer would have typed. Press search and the familiar search results come up with the organic search results here and all of the AdWords ads here, where if you'd had time management within your keywords, your ad may appear in this list, and this is determined by obviously how much you're paying on your quality score. The better the quality score, the higher up this list you will appear. The main reason for throwing this screen at the moment is that if they've typed in time management, the ads or any words that appear in any of these search results, whether it's organic or paid for, if you've got time on management, you'll see they're in bold. So the fact they're bold means that it attracts the eye more than something that isn't in bold. So theoretically, if you've included parts of these keywords in your ads, it might attract the eye more, therefore you might get a better click-through rate for your adverts that you're displaying. If we quickly go into the online Google AdWords interface, and this is where you create a text ad. If you remember, you're allowed to enter within your ad a number of sections, but there's a limited amount of characters that you can enter. So for example, your headline is limited to 25 characters and each of the two descriptions lines are limited to 35 characters. So Google actually provides a means of automatically inserting the keyword variable within these. It's a little sort of advertised feature which we're not going to go into detail in this particular video, but within the help features of AdGroupGenerator, there are some videos that go into this in more detail, and obviously because they're on YouTube you might have found it there anyway. So in terms of how does this translate into the actual AdGroupGenerator tool, quickly go into that. Again, select the link, go straight to the free tool, and we can go down the site. Now this time, from the previous examples, I've added a few extra keywords in the list so that there's a variety of lengths of keyword phrases. Within the select processing options, normally it's disabled because I say it's an optional thing, but this keyword length is the feature that we're looking at. So if we click yes to that, and then when we process, not only will we get the data ready to be exported into Adwords Editor, which is essentially all of the ad groups, and for each ad group there's a keyword in each of its sort of manifestations of broad phrase and exact match. So that's it, one ad word for each keyword within a campaign. And then for each of those ad groups you would normally have an ad, or ideally two ads, which you're split testing against one another. To help you, if you decide to use the more advanced features that are available of Google AdWords, and if you wanted to actually automatically insert the keyword search variable within your ad, then, as I say, there's a restriction on how long that can be. So the purpose of this optional part of this tool is to actually take your keyword list and count how many characters long the keyword phrase is, and then sort it so that the shorter keywords are at the top, and within that in alphabetical order. So if there was 3 or 4 keywords that were 6 characters long, the keyword with an A would be at the top and Z at the bottom, so that sort of explains that. So for example, if you wanted to use the Google facility to include your keyword in your headline, you know that you've only got 25 characters, so obviously you wouldn't want to create an ad using that particular variable for this particular phrase because it's 28 characters, so it wouldn't display, whereas this one that's 16 might. So that's where this comes in handy. It just saves you counting how many characters are in your keyword phrase, which might then help you create ads using the optional Google variable. And again, just with the other thing, you can copy the keywords here, which selects it, right click, copy, and then you can paste it into Notepad or something like that, so you can keep a record of your variables if you then want to use this feature later on. I appreciate this has been quite a quick tour of that particular feature. As I say, the quick start videos for this part of the tool are designed to just get you up and running quickly. There are a couple of more advanced in-depth videos on the help screen and on my YouTube account, which hopefully goes into a bit more depth and clarity about why it's important and where to find more information within the Google Help system to actually explain what the variables are and how to use them. So that's the end of this particular training video on AdGroupGenerator. I hope you've enjoyed it. Before I go, I just wanted to emphasise that I've obviously used YouTube to host this particular video, so you might have viewed this video on YouTube or on the help pages of AdGroupGenerator.com. I'd really appreciate it if you head over to the YouTube channel, give feedback both on the video and how you found the tool. Feel free to embed the video on your site, blog about it, tell your friends. My YouTube ID is AdGroupBuzz, and I've also got a Twitter account with the same name, which is AdGroupBuzz. Great. Thanks for watching, and pop back soon. Don't forget to check us out here at AdGroupGenerator.com, the free tool helping you create Google-friendly, keyword-driven ad groups in 3 easy steps. You get better relevance to improve your quality scores. You slash the time you spend optimizing your campaigns, and it costs you nothing. See you again soon.